Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Design Techno. I am Naneshwar. So today we see Extrude command in creo parametric mechanical design software. So let's see. First of all, open the software, click on new, then give the some specific name here. So I can give name here part design. Click on OK. Design done. Don't take space in this name. Click OK. Then select part solid. OK. It takes some minutes for some time for opening the software because of loading. So we can see here this takes some time. This is open here. So first of all, select plane. We can select top plane and extrude command. Click on extrude command. Then we get here sketching area. So we can sketch now. Draw a rectangle here of about give dimension here 300 by 500. So we can click OK for extrude. Here we can give the dimension. We give here 300. So we can also select from here from middle plane extrude. Plane is in middle direction, and we can also change the direction of extrude. So we can also change upward downward direction, and also this is we can, and also it is also extrude as a surface now. So like this we can extrude surface, so surface like this, and also solid is like this. So from option we can also taper. So we click here add taper and give the dimension here near about we have 25 now. So we can taper for 25. So let's see, this is tapered 25 rectangle of 300 extrude. And click on OK. So we get like this rectangle. So for other new videos and other new commands, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.